with a standing ovation. Join me as I make welcome Aissatu N. Timbo, a Sierra Leone honorary consul and a goodwill ambassador, first to be appointed in the West Coast, a registered nurse in the Southern California, equipping hospitals, clinics, and providing 40-feet containers of non-perishable food to Sierra Leone. Every year for the past 9 years, she has built schools and hospitals. Here are some quick footages of moments with Aissatu N. Timbo, the philanthropist, with a standing ovation. Join me as I make welcome to Aissatu N. Timbo. Welcome to I Am That Woman Conference 2023, Woman of the Year Award recipients.